Hi everyone, welcome back to all those who are joining me again, and welcome to the new friends who are just joining. Okay, what I'll be showing you today is to make ayurvedic oil for sinus. What? I already covered this? No, this is not the same as the last one. I have some new ingredients added to the previous ingredients. One of my co-worker, Lissy chechi, told me about these ingredients. Thank you, Lissy chechi. She said these ingredients were used when she was young, and it helps to grow thick, strong, and beautiful hair. If you missed the video about making sinus relief ayurvedic oil, I'll have the link for you in the description below. This is going to be a quick video just on the new ingredients. If you would like to know the details of each ingredient for a sinus relief oil and the measurement of it, I recommend to watch that video first. If so, you can click on the ribbon above. So what I did was, as I made the sinus relief oil, I added these new ingredients to it. So it's like 2-in-1, Ayurvedic sinus relief oil and hair growth oil. Okay, let's take a look at these new ingredients. Before we start, as we're living in this COVID season, check out that last video on how to make a filtered cloth mask, which is also recommended from CDC and World Health Organization. I recently saw some updates on cloth masks, and they suggest people to have layered cloth masks. So my last video will walk you through on how to make layered cloth mask. So the new ingredients are aloe vera and curry leaves. That's it, just 2 more ingredients added to the previous oil I showed you. So I cut out an aloe vera leaf and made aloe vera juice. Then I got some curry leaves and added the previous ingredients, which are ajwain seeds, known as ayamodagam in Malayalam, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds. Keep stirring these in high flame until you smell the aroma of the ajwain seeds. Then I got the aloe vera juice and added coconut oil into it. I boiled it for 10 minutes to make aloe vera oil. Once the oil was ready, I added the ingredients which I made earlier, then boiled it all together another 10 minutes. Once it's cool, transfer it into a container using a strainer and a funnel. I really enjoy using this 2-in-1 oil. This helps with my sinus and helps my scalp to grow strong hair. Adding aloe vera also makes this oil very smooth to use. A lot of people talk to me about headache and maybe sinus related. Please try this oil for a month and see the difference. A tip is try not to keep your scalp and hair too dry, so use minimum shampoo to wash your hair. If this was helpful, please click the like button and please subscribe to LTL channel if you have not yet. Make sure you click on that bell icon too so you won't miss my next video. See you in the next video. Take care and God bless.